Q Services, Q Washers, eBay and YouTube. What we're showing you here is a drain hose for a Karcher pressure washer. Now what we've done is we've got these ends specially built. So these ends here can be taken off. So this end here would attach to the pressure washer. This end here would normally attach to the trigger itself. Now these cuffs can be pulled backwards and forwards. So what simply happens is if you pull this cuff back, you can lock it nice and tight inside certain guns that have got a long insert. Now you can actually use this as a normal hose, or if you wanted to, we can then take the end off and screw the end off, and what we can then do is use a drain hose. That drain hose is 1 forward, 3 backwards, so you can then use this as a drain cleaning hose as well when you wanted to. So that would attach to the pressure washer. Now the only thing with this system is that when you have it this way, obviously you've got to have the machine very close to where the drain is to turn it on and off to make it work. But like I say, this has got 3 nozzles backwards. As you can see, the 1 nozzle there and the 1 nozzle forward coming out the front of it. When you're doing a drain hose, when you're cleaning drains, you would use this rubber cuff as a marker to see how far you've gone down the drain. And also when you come to then pull it back, all the dirt that's been down the drain automatically gets cleaned off the hose itself, so it's nice and clean, or cleanish should I say. Never clean once you've gone down the drain. But that is the principle of the idea. Like I say, these is also made, so if you ever change your machine, you just change the ends. Take the ends off. We've got nil fisk and all different types to be able to plug into different machines. So it's done with a BSP standard thread, 1/4 inch, both ends. This is a 250 bar rubber hose. It's not the plastic hose, so the hose itself, it can be coiled up like this and it will lay straight and flat, no problem at all, and not kink up all the time. 1 wire inside this hose, 250 bar rated. Thank you very much. Q Services, Q Washers, eBay and YouTube.